Hey, it's Christian from 74 Weld. Just walking through what we're offering with our portal axle setups for, your four-wheel drive Toyotas, Ranger Raptors, Broncos, your Jeeps. It's a full bolt-on kit, $17,000. It's kind of a one-and-done deal if you want it to be, or you can go further like Jason Denny did here on his build. He's got all the crazy like shock relocation stuff, but it's fully stocks or bolts up to a stock truck, and it's a 22% gear reduction inside this portal box. You're getting 3.9 inches of lift, and it's a re-gear, so you can go from a 31-inch tire all the way up to a 38, or we recommend 35s, 37s. Just the front's a full IFS replacement. It replaces the upright, bolts into your factory suspension components, uppers and lowers, and steering, and it fully retains stock geometry. So get a big old tire and keep your truck driving stock. Your input's going to come in here, drops out down here, 3.88-inch lift, and that's pure ground clearance. So you're picking up the whole belly pan of the truck, your diffs. I mean, on this truck here, you're getting about 19 inches of ground clearance underneath the rear pumpkin. On my 4th gen Tacoma, I'm seeing 22 inches of ground clearance in the front cross member. So really good benefits in the rocks. We're finding they're super great in snow wheeling. Just being able to pick it up, not plowing the snow. Yeah, we get a lot of questions about longevity and like what's the life of these parts, and basically we say it's 5,000 miles. You do an oil change every time, and that's just cheap insurance for something you spend a lot of money on. You want to make it last. And the gears, I mean, one of our engineers is daily driving 40s on a Jeep, and when we get home, he'll cross over 40,000 miles in this gear set. We cracked those open a couple weeks ago. They still look brand new. The parts are just really burly. Basically, everything you see here is basically a 10% size reduction of what we run on our race stuff. Those things are pushing, 1,000 horsepower and doing 100 miles an hour in Baja or Johnson Valley. Really burly stuff. We test all our stuff on race course, so you guys don't have to worry about it on the street. Check us out. We're on 74weld.com, 74weld on Instagram and YouTube.